Let's imagine we want to open our browser and access a website by typing in the URL address of the web page and hitting enter. The web page we want to access is connected to a web server where the information of this web page resides. Now when we try to access the web page, our browser sends a so-called request to the web server. The web server receives the request and responds by sending files that make up the website we want to access back to our browser. Afterwards, our browser automatically renders the content of the files and displays the rendered website for us. We do not notice what is going on in the background, as this happens in milliseconds and is not visible to the end user. The files that make up a website are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and JPEG files. Those are the files that can be understood by any browser. Providing the input for those files and writing the respective code that make up the files is called front-end web development. However, the process we have just seen only describes how static websites are displayed. So whenever the HTML, JavaScript, CSS and JPEG files are sent as is, we call this a static website. So the content of the website does not change when we visit it the next time. Let's now explore the other case. But this time we are visiting a website like Amazon.com. Our browser sends the request to the web server. This time the web server is connected to an application and a big database. So the request is forwarded to the application, which then accesses the database to pull the data from. The data is then assembled on the fly and sent to the web server. The web server sends the prepared files to our browser. Our browser then renders those files to display the content of the website. The big difference is that these files are assembled each and every time we access the website, since the content of the website is dynamic. This means that while we are not browsing through Amazon.com, new reviews as well as new products might have been added to the site. And when we access the site again, we want the browser to display this new information. However, sometimes it can be that even if this is a dynamic website, you can only see the old information displayed. This is due to so-called cookies, which are stored in your browser. I've made a separate video about that topic. Make sure to check it out. Thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel to not miss any more videos. See you next time.